Anong tawag kayo dito? Bagging? Bagging po. Hi guys, so now we're going to Baggao. So yung blue water, famous blue water in Baggao, Cagayan. So we'll be going there. So papunta po kami sa terminal. On our way going to Blue Water Cave. Anyway, so nag-stop over lang kami kasi yung driver ko. So, based sa kwento niya, actually medyo expensive yung renting ng service going kasi yung travel, it takes 1.5 hour. So, medyo matagal siya and malayo. And mainit. And hindi ako prepared. I'm not prepared kasi like, hindi ko alam na ganito pala. So, if you can see guys, puro dadaanan nyo is puro mga tanim na. Let my tour guide. So, yung cost ng vest, it's 100 pesos. And then yung tour guide is 500. Then after that, ready na kayo to go sa... Well, yung way namin is yung river creek na. Then after that, para dun sa falls. And yung way going to the river. Medyo pahirapan siya. So I suggest if you will visit here, you should bring at least shoes na pwedeng mabasa. Like made of mesh items. So it's more convenient. Kasi medyo mabato siya. Okay. So I'm crossing the river. So ito yung first tampis ako sa tubig. So if you can see the view. And guys, yun yung tatawirin. Oops. And be careful kasi madulas na. There you go. There.
Hả? Lại lắc túi. Ay, patay.
Yes. Yes po. Okay, so nandito po tayo sa first waterfalls kasi pinili ko yung ano. So there. 360 view. So nice. Hirap. Ang hirap po. Ayan. So, oh my God. I suppose not. Okay. Ayan guys. Ayan. So, as you can see guys. Oh my God. Wait lang. There. Ang ganda yung nag-bloom. Okay. So, tatawid na naman po kami sa falls. Another falls again. There. Ayan. Oh my God. Thank you so much sa chinelas kong habayanas. Hindi ba ako nadudulas? Ay, watch, wait. Pero ang ganda dito guys, kasi habang naglalakad kayo, like maraming butterflies. So meaning, like super magical. Magical. I mean, super fresh and napakaganda. Look at me, mag-exhibition ako. Ay, bakit baka naman ako na makawakan ko. Yan. So, malapit na daw kami, guys. Pero super extreme dito. Ayan. So, maraming bagging. Maraming bagging dito. Yung purpose ng bagging para ang hawakan. So, yan. Medyo patag na po. So, ilang ano na lang, kuya? Like, super lapit na.
Malapit na rin. Pag nalakaran natin yung ano yan to, yung falls na malaki. Tapos meron pa sa doon na.
Ah, okay. So,
Nagagit na.
sabi ni kuya, may isang falls pa daw. Then, after nun, yun na yung next. So, trivia. Ayan. So, ayan yung yun. So, trivia, guys. Kaya siya tinawag na blue water. Kasi ito, mag-exhibition ulit ako. Yung water is from the cave. So, meaning, natural water siya from the... Ay! Bumagalaw yung bata. Natural water siya from the mountains. So, that's why na may maintain yung water na color blue. Joke. Hindi rin po ako sure kung bakit color blue. Based on my opinion. So, wag po kayo mag-react. Nakatakot yung mga bagay. Kasi parang feeling ko baka snake yung mahawakan ko instead of bagay. Yan. So, kung gusto niyo po ng extreme outdoor na places na pupuntahan dito sa Tuguegarao or Cagayan, you can visit Blue Water. Guys, so ang ganda. Okay guys, so before dun sa main attraction, before dun sa main attraction, nagpupunta sa may bagging falls. So you can see naman obvious kasi may bagging kasi dun sa gitna, kaya siya tinawag na bagging falls. So, yun. sa Lipit Canyon. So, Lipit means stands, masikip. So, as you can see,
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Okay, so that ends my tour here in BAGGAO Cagayan. So, after dun sa falls, so nag-falls tayo, nag-cave, and then nag-canyon. So Lipit, so tinawag na Lipit Canyon is because masikip kasi yung canyon. Kaya siya tinawag na gano'n. So right now, we're going back home.